How to remove Samsung Cloud backup. If you want to remove the backups that you have made to your Samsung Cloud server, it is very simple. So assuming you've already restored your backup, so now you just want to get rid of it to clear the storage within your Samsung Cloud account. Once you open up settings, just tap on your Samsung name from the top of the screen. Go to the option Samsung Cloud, then go to the option Restore Data. So as you can see here, I still have some of the data that I've backed up. So I can go over there and I can choose to restore them if I want to, or to delete them completely, I can tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side. Then there I can find the option called Delete Backups. Then when I've done that, I can select all the backups that I want to delete, then tap the delete button to be able to tap the delete button to delete it. This way you can remove your Samsung Cloud backup. That is all for this video. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in our next video.